Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
Mathematical Literacy Grade 10. Welcome to this lesson. Today, we'll learn about the thousand separator, a useful tool that makes reading large numbers much easier. By the end of this video, you'll understand how the thousand separator works, why it's important, and how it's used in different countries. What is the thousand separator? When numbers become large, they can be difficult to read and understand. To solve this, we use a system that groups the digits into smaller, more manageable blocks of 3, starting from the right-hand side of the number. The thousand separator is a tool that helps us group digits into sets of 3 when writing large numbers. This makes them easier to read and reduces the chance of errors. For example, consider the number 2,876,950. Without separators, it can be hard to interpret at a glance. With the proper separators, it becomes clear and manageable. Conventions for the thousand separator. Different countries have different rules for grouping digits in thousands. Let's break them down. 1. South Africa. In South Africa, spaces are used to separate every 3 digits from the right-hand side of the number. For example, the number becomes, and this is read as, 2,876,950. Why use spaces? Spaces are visually clean and reduce clutter when working with large numbers in tables, financial documents, and data sets. Other countries such as America use commas to separate every 3 digits. For example, the same number becomes, as shown here, and is still read as 2,876,950. Why use commas? Commas have been historically used in many regions, especially for formal and financial documents, making them a familiar standard. How to apply the thousand separator? Let's step by step look at how to apply these separators. Example 1. Adding spaces, South African style. In this example we're going to use the number. Start from the right-hand side. Group the digits into sets of 3. First group, group the numbers 9, 8 and 7. Second group, group the numbers 4, 2, 9. Third group, group the numbers 5 and 6. Finally, add spaces between the groups. The final result should look like this, and can be read as 56,429,987. Example 2. Adding commas, USA style. In this example we're going to use the number. Start from the right-hand side by grouping digits into sets of 3. First group, 5, 6, 3. Second group 1, 7, 2. Third group, 9, 8. Next add commas between the groups and the final result is, read as, 98,172,563.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.